It might be sound controversial, but I have to say that you have to take your ego on your head. You don't need to bow down in front of your parents, gods, people, nobody. You have to take ego on your head, no matter what. Yes, it is so controversial, but it is. You have to never bow down to anybody. You have a respect. You are an arrogant guy. You have to be an arrogant guy who ego is on very high, even though you have nothing at all. Say, I'm egoistic because I don't have anything. See how egoistic you are because you don't have anything to own. So that's why you have to be so egoistic person that anybody would say, bro, you are fucking bastard. Doesn't matter. You have to be attitude type of person. You have to put in your mind that I am. No matter what, I am like that person. Yes, I'm a narcissist. What? Then what? I am. Take your ego so high. If anybody says you can't, really? I can't. I will show you. And remember, always remember rational ego. What do you mean by rational ego? That's when if somebody says you don't have power to jump on the roof, then you don't need to jump out on the roof. Or don't jump if anybody says that because you will die. That's why you have to understand, okay, your ego must be healthy. But in your mind, show people that you are a very egoistic person. Never show your kindness to anybody, only animals. So kindness only to animals, not people. People are not deserve your kindness. They will always take advantage of you. Always remember, if anybody talk shit about you, never talk to them and tell them, if you do again, then I will fuck you, my friend. Don't smile. When you're saying this, don't smile. You have to make your face angle that and don't react, but you have to say the person, if you do this, then you have to be prepared for consequences. Otherwise, you have to respect yourself. Become a narcissist in order to get success. You have to be narcissist obsessed with yourself and you're just working. No matter you are doing so much hard work, you don't fucking care about anybody who's think about you. Fuck it. What the hell? I can't do it. What are you saying? If all gods come to here and tell me you can't, then fuck them all gods. I will fuck all the gods. I will beat all gods. So that level of ego you must have. Yes, these things should not be told in publicly. You don't need to tell these things publicly because it is not right. Listen, bro. I'm not a guru who is talking about morality. So always put in your mind that these things should not be tell in publicly. You have to put these things in your mind that I'm egoistic. I can't bow down to anybody. I have self-respect. So these kind of things you have to understand in your mind that I'm so egoistic. So what? Are you capable to handle myself? You can't. So make your ego like so fucking crazy. Nobody can touch your ego. Always be big. Like so big. Like you think I am as powerful as God. Like I'm the creator of this universe. That level of ego you must have. And remember, always remember, you don't need to tell anybody. I'm telling you because I have to tell you that you need to take your ego on so high. And always remember, whatever you're doing, like public speaking, always think, these people, it's their happiness. They are lucky to listen to me. They are so lucky. You don't need to feel I can't do that. It is so difficult. I have public fear. I can't. Are you fucking bastard? Don't talk like this. Don't be a loser. I don't want to. I can't do it. I'm a loser. What the fuck? Really? You are a loser? You're saying you are a loser? Yes, you might be because you think you are a loser, but I don't think you are a loser. You have capabilities to achieve anything in your life. If if your parents say you are a bastard, your face is not good, you have nothing, you can't achieve anything, you become a peon. Your teacher says that you can't achieve anything in life, you are a loser, you are this, you are that. Don't listen to them. If anybody says that you can't achieve in your life, don't listen to them. You have capabilities to achieve anything in your life, no matter what. No matter anybody says to you, bro, you can't. Fuck them all. If all world is against you that you will never do that, say fuck you. That's all. Always put this, put in your mind that I'm so egoistic person. I'm so arrogant. I'm so this and that. Put in your, say, I don't need confidence. Fuck confidence. I fucking don't care about confidence. And why the hell I take care of confidence? I don't need confidence. Confidence need me to be feel confident. I'm the father of confidence. Confidence is my son. That level of confidence you need. Like, you are known by your son. Can't imagine you feel proud because your son is doing something in life. Like your son is confidence. People are know you because of confidence. You don't need confidence. Your son is confidence. Then why the hell you need? And I don't know why the fucking people say, oh bro, you need confidence in order to achieve something. What the fuck? I don't need confidence. Huh? I never felt confidence in entire life. In my entire life. I never felt confidence. What the fuck? Huh? You are saying if you are confident, you will speak like it. And if you don't, oh bro, what the fuck? I can't do that. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. What the fuck? Why the hell I will talk like this? This is fucking crazy. Isn't it? And why the hell I speak like this? Hello everyone. No, I will speak like this, like I'm owning the room. I want attention. I want to be center of the attention. I don't want to be loser who is in a corner. What the fuck? I can't be like that. I don't want to be like that. It's upon you. Don't be a loser in your entire life. You have capabilities to achieve. Even though your parents say you can't achieve, even though your teachers are saying you become a food delivery boy, fuck them all. You don't need to listen them. Don't say anything. Don't respect to anybody. You need to show by your success. Just hustle. I don't want to glorify hustle culture, but I would say you need to hustle because the world is changing so fast. And if you only study old things and if you don't have critical thinking, creativity, consistency, discipline, then bro, please build these things. Don't get good marks, but build these things. Okay, build these things. No matter what, my friend. I'm not here to tell you, bro, you need to do it. Yes, I am here to tell you, but in the end, you have to do it. Bro, just think about it. In your whole generation, past generation, where your father, grandfather, grandfather, they all are poor. But you can change the whole generation. Like your grandchild would say, a man who changed the whole generation. He's the man. So become that person. Take your ego so big, like as big as this universe, like growing. But always remember, you need to show your egoistic thing with egoistic person. But don't show to those who are kind, innocent, kind-hearted. Don't show to them, my friend. That's why I'm saying make your ego healthy. Don't do that like you're showing your egoistic personality to the kind person. Don't do that. First of all, I would say, now you are a loser. I know this is harsh reality of your life or even me. So that we have to understand, bro, I have to improve. I can't be myself. I know lots of people says, you have to be yourself. You have to be yourself. Accept yourself. What the fuck? Why the hell I will accept myself? If I'm a loser, indisciplined, inconsistent, then why the hell I become myself? Why? This is fucking... I can't say anything. If anybody says that, be yourself, fuck them all. Fuck it. These are totally bullshit. Don't listen to those things. Don't listen to those things. You need to change. You know that you are a loser, then why the hell you will accept yourself? So, always remember, take your ego high. I'm saying so many times so that you can put this information in your mind that I have so much ego and I can do anything, whatever I want. Even though whole world is against me, no matter what, I will achieve and I will show them. You was wrong, you fucking people. I don't need to prove you. I'm doing these things because I love it. I love these things. Okay? You have to put in your mind that, yes, my friend, even though I told you lots of things, but please try to understand that you have to take your ego on your high, as big as the universe. If even God came to you and said, you can't. I already wrote your destiny. You can't change. So then, and say, you see, you bastard, how I will change my destiny. I don't believe in you. You God? Fuck it. That mentality you need. You can do anything in your life. Yes, nobody will tell you that, but you can. It's all about hard work in a right direction. Always remember, don't listen to only hard work. Always remember, hard work in a right direction. That is most important thing. I always give you example like laborers who do hard work. Okay. So remember, laborers doesn't have ego because they doesn't accomplish anything in their life. That doesn't mean you can't. Yes, you couldn't or you didn't accomplish anything, but you have to take ego of like I didn't done anything. If I put my mind in anything, I will achieve no matter what. And this is the truth that if I put my mind in anything, I will achieve. I will achieve. I will show that nobody beat me. You can stop me, but you can't beat me. I will always win. I will always win. You can't beat me. I don't need to think about you. You are not a competitor of me. I don't see you as my competitor. You are a loser. So that level of ego you must have.